Hi, boys and girls. It's a wonderful day, and I feel like taking a ride. Not on a plane, no, not in a car, but on a train. Well, not really on a train, and not really in a train. You know what? I want to be a train. Want to ride with me? All right, you can be my locomotive. Just slip it on your head, and we'll be a train together. And our name will be Rollo. Rollo the railroad train. Ready? All set? Then let's go! I'm Rollo the railroad train. Clickety-clackety, clickety-clackety. I ride in sun and rain. Clickety-clackety, clop. I am a big express. Clickety-clackety, clickety-clackety. I'll always be unless I clickety-clackety stop. Clickety-clackety, woo-woo, clickety-clackety, choo-choo, clickety-clackety, how do? Hop on board and I'll ride with you. Now we need a freight train. Won't you join us? Good. Hold tight and let's go. I'm Rollo, come right along. Clickety-clackety, clickety-clackety, my engine's big and strong. Clickety-clackety, clop. My fare you can afford. Clickety-clackety, clickety-clackety. Here comes that all aboard. Clickety-clackety, stop. Clickety-clackety, woo-woo, clickety-clackety, choo-choo, clickety-clackety. How do? Hop on board and I'll ride with you. Would you like to be my little caboose? Fine, we're ready for you now. Everybody all lined up? Good, then let's go again. I'm Rollo, the railroad train. Clickety-clackety, clickety-clackety. I ride in sun and rain. Clickety-clackety, clop. I'll take you to your home. Clickety-clackety, clickety-clackety. Or where you want to roam. Clickety-clackety, stop. Clickety-clackety, woo-woo, clickety-clackety, choo-choo, clickety-clackety. Hop on board and I'll ride with you.